All right, hey, what's up, everybody? It's Sir Klausner here. So we're gonna go over I'm sorry, not Monday, March 1st. That was Monday. This is now Thursday, March 4th. My gosh, the time just goes so fast. I've got the wrong date in there, of course. Oh my gosh, what a day. Thursday, March 4th is what I'm gonna review as soon as it pops up. Okay, so there's the quote of the week. Today's a B schedule. It is, again, the 4th, not the 2nd or 3rd. Enter announcements, all that good stuff, birthdays. We are going to review the Q4 project when you come in. I just made a 10-minute video on the budget analysis and country profile, which is our big project due on April 9th, 2021. Our new lesson is I'll be able to simplify algebraic equations, and then the worksheet is essentially you're working on 4 pages of work in your textbook in the volume 2 textbook. So this is the big analysis for the country profile. I'm not going to go over it again. Please watch the other video. It's 9 minutes long. It is really robust. There's a lot to cover. It is super big project, and it is also a lot of fun. So here you can see just the analysis, the rubrics, the due dates, my exemplar. So you can see I need links and I need photos, and I need pictures, and I need links to prices, and then you got to do the math and add it all up, conversions, total price, so big addition, bring it all together. And then the country profile, also working with numbers, you need the map, the population, the flag, the name, you need language, more pictures, food also you need to include because that's something I love, and then as well as sport. So then in a cultural activity, and that's the end of that project. So today though, that's that, and you can watch that other video for that resource. I really want to talk about what we're doing today in class. So we've got a couple things to learn. Our objective is I'll be able to simplify algebraic equations. So we have been learning a lot with algebraic equations, and I know this is a pre-algebra class, but we get into the nitty-gritty of algebra for sure. So we're going to talk a little bit about like terms today, constants, and coefficients. Coefficients are the numbers that multiply the variables. Okay, so that'd be like 5x. The 5 would be the coefficient. Like terms have the same variable raised to the same power. So this would be like 2x plus 3x. And that is going to be 5x. Okay, so they're like terms when they have the same variable, that's x, raised to the same power, which would be x to the first power, because that's understood that it's raised to the first power. Now, if I had 5x squared plus x, I can't combine those because those are actually raised to 2 different powers. Constants, those are terms without variables, so just -7 is a constant. All right, so we're going to do some simplification of algebraic equations. So the first one is simplify 2x plus 3x. Well, they both have x to the same power, so we can think of these as like terms even though they have different coefficients. We can use addition and add them up. This one's going to be 5x. Okay, so that one we've learned. You should know that. That shouldn't be too crazy. The next one is simplify 7y minus 2 minus 6y plus 6. Well, we have some constants and we have variables that are actually have the same power. So they have different coefficients, but they are like terms. So we can do 7y minus 6y. We get 1y, or just y, and then we have -2 plus 6. So this would be y plus 4. When we combine the like terms, we're taking the ones with the same variables and the constants, and we're combining them so that we can show those. And we got a couple more here with distributive property up top. We would get 6x plus 10. And then the bottom one is where we put it all together. We have 5x minus 20 plus 2x plus 7. We got to combine the 5x and the 2x. We get 7x. And then we have -20 and +7. So we get 7x, let's see, minus 13. Okay, and I wish I had drawn these out, but I'm kind of doing it in my head here. We'd go over them in class, and I'll post a video here in a moment that'll help. Now this one is the kind of the big final boss. So you're going to have to use distributive property and then simplify. Notice on this one we are working with y. So this is a different variable, but that doesn't make too much of a difference. And you're going to have to walk through that steps. Now, We will go through a bunch of classwork today, so please send this to me if you're online. If you're in class, we'll be doing these. There'll be time in class to go over these. I'll be able to check your work right there immediately. Those of you online, please complete these 4 pages and those questions there and send them to me in an email, okay? And then this is the video, so if you do want to watch this, I will link this in the email I send out and post it into Google Classroom. So it'll help with combining. There you can see 3x plus 5x equals 8x. And then the combined like terms on the bottom, 2a plus 7a, so that's going to be 9a. And then the negative 4 and the positive 2 can combine because they're both constants, and we would get negative 2. So that would be 9a minus 2. Okay? That's all for today. Oh, it's going to play for me. Oh, for this video. Oh. Okay, so that was all. I hope you have a great Thursday and Friday, and I miss you guys. Hope you're well, and talk soon. Bye-bye.